I know more than one person who struggles to enjoy whiskey. I used to be one of them, no matter how fancy the pour. If that's you, don't tune out. This cocktail is, well, just a little bit whiskey and invites you to dip your toe into the exciting world of bourbon, without making the scrunch face. So let's mix this one up. Let's start with 1.5 ounces of whiskey, a half ounce of pomegranate juice, and juice from half a lime, and then a half ounce of honey. Add some ice and give it a good shake until it's chilled. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? The little bit whiskey gives you a chance to enjoy bourbon's complex flavors while balancing out the bite with a subtle sweetness. This delicious cocktail is Queen Bee approved.